In the vibrant heart of Jamaica's lush mountains, there was a legend whispered among the villagers about a mystical cobra named Cobra. Unlike any other serpent, Cobra possessed a rare gift. He could work magic. They said his scales shimmered with cosmic energy, and his eyes glowed with the knowledge of the universe. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the island, a young scientist named Kimo arrived in the village. Kimo was fascinated by the stories of Cobra and sought to uncover the truth behind the legend. Armed with his equipment and a curious mind, he ventured into the forest where the serpent was said to dwell. Suddenly, amidst the thick foliage, Cobra appeared, coiled gracefully atop a moss-covered stone. Instead of fear, Kimo felt awe. Cobra's eyes met his, and in that instant, the snake's magic awakened. With a flick of his tongue, a shimmering portal opened beside him, revealing visions of distant galaxies, ancient stars, and future worlds. Kimo watched in amazement as Cobra summoned cosmic energies, manipulating light and matter with a mere hiss. The serpent was not just a creature of myth, but a guardian of cosmic knowledge, bridging science and magic. Cobra's magic could heal the sick, illuminate darkness, and even glimpse into the fabric of time itself. As dawn approached, Cobra gently coiled around Kimo's arm, sharing a silent message. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be understood, and sometimes, the greatest magic lies in curiosity and respect for the mysteries around us. Kimo returned to his lab, forever changed by his encounter. And from that day on, he carried the story of Cobra, the magical cobra of Jamaica, believing that magic and science are two sides of the same cosmic coin.